Thank you for completing this lesson on Solidity Programming presented by Coding Bootcamps. So we just completed how to build a blockchain application with Solidity. And again, the topics that we learned in this class are introduction to blockchain technology and how ledgers work, blockchain structures and types, operation and mining, introduction to Ethereum and some Ethereum Basics, introduction to Solidity in the Remix development environment. Our Solidity contracts, the constructs in Solidity and the functions in a Solidity contract, and also making payments and transactions with a Solidity contract. And we also had a brief review of Truffle. Congratulations, you have successfully finished the class. Some follow-up classes are blockchain cybersecurity, blockchain development with Corda, Hyperledger Fabric for developers, Ethereum blockchain development, Hyperledger Fabric for administrators, and Hyperledger Sawtooth for administrators. Thank you again, and follow us on social media. See you at the next class.